Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a loan on the Discover mobile application or website. Now, the website interface is much more detailed and explained in order to apply loans, so it is much more better to proceed with the web browser. Open up your web browser first and type in discover.com in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Discover Bank website. Now, from the home page, scroll down and you will find various different loan options. You can simply click on the kind of loan that you are interested in and you will be shown various different options that are available for you. You can scroll down and look at the various options and even provide your details and choose how much you want, the duration you want to pay for, followed by your credit score. Then you can also check your rate and proceed forward with applying for your loan. You can simply click on the preferred lender and then click on the application details option. Once you have checked your rate and your application has been approved, you will be sent a form within your email address that you can fill up and send to Discover directly. And after your loan has been approved, you will get another notification within your email about your loan approval. And that is how you can proceed forward with applying for your loan on Discover Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.